Divide 119 by 2. So now we divide 119 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we bring down the number beside this 9. So now it became 19. So 2 times 9 means 18. On subtracting we get 1. So again this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take here zev. So now it became 10. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get zev. So 119 divided by 2 we get 59 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.